Hello guys. Now, as a civil engineer, an architect, a builder, a supervisor, a mason, or even the client, you have a building project that is ongoing or a construction project that is ongoing, and you are finding it difficult to determine the number of blocks laid on a daily basis. Now, how do you solve that problem? Agees Block Estimator is here to help you solve that problem. All you need to do is download the app, and you come on your phone, you click on the app, it brings you down to the page where you choose whether to use imperial or metrics. Now, what does this mean? Imperial means measurements in feet. Metrics means measurements in millimeters or meters. Now, Agees Block Estimator is an app that helps you determine the total number of blocks that you need to construct a building project, and it also helps you determine the number of blocks that is being constructed as your project continues. So for you to be able to achieve this, here is how you go about it. When the mason, they are done with all that they need to do on that day on site or the construction, get your measuring tape and take a linear measurement. Take a straight measurement of the wall that they constructed on that day, and take a measurement of the height of the wall. Let's assume you did your measurements in feet. You click on imperial. It brings you to this page where you enter your parameters. So all you need to do is come to this first line here, which is the length of the building. So maybe after your measurements, you had the total length of walls constructed on that day as 80 feet. Now you click 80 feet, and then say the height 4 feet. Come here, total height of wall 4 feet, and then you go back to every other cell and click 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Then here, the building block thickness, you have to specify what's the thickness of the block that they used to do the construction. So let's assume in this case they used 6 inches. You click 6, and then when you are done with this, you come to the mortar mix. So here is where we determine the mix ratio of the mortar that they use in doing the construction, or in laying those blocks on that day. So mix ratios usually are written in a format like 1:8, 1:10, or 1:12. So let's assume that the workers on the site on that day, they used a mixed ratio of 1:10. So you come here and click that 1 there represents 1 bag of cement, and then the 10 represent 10 head pans of sand. So you come here and you click 1 as 1 bag of cement, and then you come here and click 10 as 10 head pans of sand. And then when you are done with that, you click done, and then click calculate values. You see, your result is out. The total number of blocks that were laid on that day is 626 blocks. There's no way they can lay more than that for 80 feet and a height of 4 feet. If they tell you they laid more than that, they are not telling you the truth, because 626 is the number of blocks that were laid considering wastage, all inclusive. So, and then the mortar that was used, the volume of mortar that was used on that day, 2 meter cube. The total number of bags of cement that was used on that day, to lay the 626 blocks is 10 bags of cement. There's no way it can be more than that. Then the total number of single triple truck load of sand that was used on that day to lay the 626 blocks is 1 trip. It could be a little less and it could be a little more, but there's no way it can be more than, as in, if they tell you it is 2 trips, it's not possible. So this is what Agees Block Estimator helps you do. It helps you solve the problem of having that fear of not being able to track the progress of your work on site. So with this, you can determine on a daily basis the number of blocks laid by your mason, and then you can actually track the progress of your work. Thank you.